Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another weekly vlog. This vlog is going to be an eventful, hectic, hopefully a really good one. We have so many things aligned for the week. Like today we're throwing Riya and Shikhar their bridal and groom shower. I remember throwing one years ago for Adu and me. And then we did one for Manasi along with the Mama gang. And now it's turn for us to do it for Riya and Shikhar. ये almost एक tradition I think हो गया है हमारे group में to do this. I feel like they are expecting it because they didn't ask us why we're meeting. But I think they know. So everyone's gonna start coming in abhi, but I want to show you guys the decor. I think it turned out really cute. थोड़ा सा अभी भी finishing touches करना बाकी है, but I got it done through Floral Fiesta. I've actually been working with them for a while now because I remember they did my Makar Sankranti decor, which was beautiful. They did my anniversary decor and I'm sure they've done it quite a few times, so I knew that I had to go to them because it's honestly so difficult to find people whom you can trust. So we did that. We also got a really cute cake made. Of course it's made by Shreya. हमारे ये 2-3 लोग जिनके पास we keep going back for like party stuff. I'm glad to kind of have this list whom I can like trust and rely on. Let me actually quickly just show you the final decor. बहुत ही फनी लग रहा है दोनों एल. मुझे एक्चुअली इनको स्प्रे पेंट करना था टू लाइक अ वाइट और समथिंग, बट वाइट दिखेगा ही नहीं वाइट वॉल पे, सो इट्स फाइन. इट्स लुकिंग सो प्रीटी. आई लव इट. लेट लतीफ लोग कैसा लग रहा है?
It's like Maddie's bachelorette.
Is it?
This, remember आपके bachelorette का मैं
The seating, yeah, that is true. ये मैंने एक प्लेटर बनाया है जो मोस्टली सिर्फ मैं ही खाने वाली हूँ. बेसिकली यहाँ पे है फेटा चीज विच इज माई फेवरेट. वी हैव ऑलिव्स, साडो ब्रेड एंड देन सम ऑलिव ऑयल टू डिप. प्लीज डिग इन. आई ब्रॉट इडली टू यू आदू.
सुहागरात के दिन रिया के जगह नानी उसके बाद
ओह गॉड.
ऐसे वर्ड्स बोलोगे तो मैडी ब्लॉग पे डालेंगे.
म्यूट कर दोगे. आदू, दिस वेल was bought for your bridal shower. Do you know that? Welcome to your bride and groom shower.
Waiting.
We have 2 more bridal showers group में throw करने के लिए. 3 कैसे technically? 2 ही ना?
अच्छा, इसके बाद और 2 ना?
हाँ.
Welcome
to your bride and groom shower.
कितने अच्छे. हमने कुछ कोशिश ही नहीं की जानने की क्या है.
Hello.
वो रिटर्न गिफ्ट आएगा.
लड़कियों के लिए.
वाओ.
तू सीख कुछ और हमारे लिए भी ला जरा.
या
मारी आओ ना इधर आओ.
नहीं पहना
मिलके तीनों मिलके कम कम.
Oh my God.
I think आपको हर बार पहनाना चाहिए because you're the oldest member.
No.
No, I started with you ना.
हाँ, अभी लोग मुट्ठी बोला.
मयूर भाई.
सेम है, शर्म कर. कम.
हाथ लगाते खुद.
Wow.
Good, thank you. बहुत ही क्यूट लग रहा है.
Wow. Bridesmaid hampers. हमारा किधर है भाई?
अरे वो भूल गए लेके आने को.
ओह हो.
मिनिएचर लिया था.
वो भी रिया की तरफ से ही था. शिखर ने क्या दिया?
वाह 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 वाह.
अरे हंसो. मेरे को ऐसा धक-धक हो रहा है.
Hello, today is the day we're doing our planner shoot. I should sound more excited, Trust me, I am excited under, but I'm also very nervous about how it's gonna go. It's one thing to make a mood board, to have everything ready, but then it's another thing altogether for the images to land the way you think they should land. So I'm just a little bit worried about that. I'm always worried, obviously, on the planner shoot because it's a big day, right? Because these pictures really decide the future of the planner. I'm also a little bit on edge because हमारा planner अभी तक आया ही नहीं है. In the sense that obviously we've received multiple samples, but जो हमारा final sample है वो अभी तक आया ही नहीं है. And the shoot is supposed to begin at 1 o'clock. So I don't know. We're just gonna wait. हमारे side से सब कुछ ready है. Okay, मैंने काफी बार आज already हनुमान चालीसा सुन लिया है. It's making me feel little calmer because in the morning I woke up with a lot of anxious feelings, let's just say that. Oh, also there's a new member in the team. That's an update that I haven't given you guys. I think last week we did interviews for a new member to be onboarded onto Simba Lifestyle. By the way, Simba Lifestyle में और भी बहुत सारे openings होने वाले हैं. So keep an eye out for that because we are looking to expand the Simba Lifestyle team, just like how we've expanded our content team for Mridul and Mridul Aditya. And another thing that we did was a team bonding session with Mehak. So she does graphology and numerology as well. And she has the coolest activities to do. You can do it with your partner. You can do it with your friends. We, of course, did it as like a team bonding session. It was genuinely so interesting to know how others think about the same situation. And because of the activities that we did together, I feel like we got to know each other more and got closer in a way. Actually, हमने ये session हमारे friends के साथ भी किया था बहुत साल पहले and I highly recommend it. I'll leave her handle in the description box below. How cute is this little setup? So basically हमने ये पूरा किया है to kind of show our progress over the years. Aditya, give us also थोड़ा सा attention.
No, it's a work day. I'm working, you know, बीच में बहुत सारा आज shoot भी चालू है with respect to work, so.
Okay, whatever. So this is a mood board, which is for this year's planner. And then, in case you're new, these are all of our old planners.
Feels so
Cute.
surreal seeing it.
And this is last year का बहुत ही cute है last year का. I feel like it looked so beautiful. So we have these beautiful photography blocks that we've gotten from Amazon, but हम consider कर रहे हैं उन्हें paint करने के लिए so that everything looks the same. Also, this is a dummy. This is not the final planner. Wow. Too good. Finally 6 कितने में शुरू 6 o'clock planner I think कुछ कितने 15-20 मिनट पहले आया. Too good.
सेटअप भी 5 मिनट में
Best photos ever taken.
Oh my god.
Geniusness. What creativity, what talent, what art.
Thanks. Lunch break. बीच में से क्यों चल के जा रहा है? 2 kids who cannot have lunch without watching something. On the go, on the spot, हम सब shortlist करके डाल रहे हैं. By the way, look. But today I just had to. Today is a stressful day, guys. So I'm allowed to have fries.
वो बैकग्राउंड में मस्त लग रहा है.
क्या? ये ना हम यूज करने वाले हैं आगे props के लिए.
क्या कर रहे हो आदित्य?
Working. Planner launch के पहले का दिन is a very hectic day.
We don't know if tomorrow the planner is going to
वो
launch.
तो बहुत मुश्किल ही पकड़ रहा हूँ, but मजा आ रहा है. Every year it's a different kind of challenge. Like क्या हो सकता है, वो मजा आता है हर साल डिस्कवर करने.
इस बार का फ्रीबी हमारा बहुत ही ज्यादा मजेदार है. Look at these cards. I have been meaning to make these beautiful looking deck of cards for years, right, Aditya? Finally, we get to do it. And they're so pretty. So now when you play cards, it's not going to be boring, guys. It's going to be so pretty. Hello. Finally done It's almost 12 o'clock, but we are done with our planner shoot. I mean, our first planner shoot, like the pictures that are gonna go live tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, and on the website. Of course, shoots to chalte rahenge. We'll do multiple shoots, but the main one is done, and I'm so happy with the way the pictures have turned out. Genuinely, I think out of every shoot that we've done, this one has to be my favorite. The day is not over. I'm gonna clean up, take a shower, get into bed, and I have to sit down and shortlist all the images. Usko bhi 1 घंटा लगेगा, but it's okay. It was a great day. It started off on a rough note, as you guys saw. हमने shoot literally proper shoot हमने start किया at like 6 o'clock. उसके पहले हम literally prep करके just बैठे थे, but it's okay. We got done. And most importantly, it turned out well. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hello, it is launch day. Today's day has been a long one. It's literally 9 o'clock right now. Obviously, I couldn't vlog the whole day, but it's actually not been a chaotic one. I don't want to speak too soon क्योंकि अभी तक हमने launch का button दबाया नहीं है. But compared to all of our previous launch days, which have always been so stressful, this was relaxed relatively. I guess it's just years of doing this over and over again and knowing what not to do and what to do, and also the fact that obviously the team is bigger, so more hands, more brains. Yeah, that's what is happening. We're about to call Mansi and get her reaction because I think it's gonna be epic. I mean, she knows already the color. We've been talking for a while and she knows.
Maddie's calling.
Hello.
Hello.
Wait, I'm sending you pictures. Hold on. Okay. I'm just sending 4-5 साथ में. You see, जो पहला तुझे दिखाओ.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Download हो रहा है. So lavender दिख रहा है. Let me download. Wait. Oh my. Oh. Small sips, big shifts. Guys. This is so pretty. Oh my god, bro.
In real life.
Love it. भेज जल्दी भेज यहाँ पे. ईवी भी आ गई.
Order तुझे भेजेंगे.
ईवी. So happy for her. Oh my god. It's lavender. Love it.
So अभी लाइव करना है कि और 3 मिनट रुकना है, फिर न्यूमरोलॉजिकली 4 होगा टोटल.
कितना हुआ टोटल अभी? 9, 18,
अभी 20 हुआ टोटल.
21 हुआ ना? नहीं, 20 हुआ, 2 हुआ. ठीक है, चल कर दे. इवन
कर दो?
नंबर कर दे.
चलो, गणपति बप्पा
मोरया. Okay, so it is finally time for our yearly flip through. This has become such a ritual, and I love that you guys really wait for this flip through to come through. I think you guys have already seen it, but this is what our planner looks like. I think आपने BTS में already देख चुके हो, and by the time this vlog goes live, the planner is already live on www.simbalifestyle.com. So the story and the idea behind this क्या मैं explain कर देती हूँ सबसे पहले. So on the cover we have a little vending machine, a very cute vending machine, may I add, and then there are a bunch of drinks. So the idea is that every single month there will be a new drink dispensed to you. Let me name some of the drinks that we have in the planner. In January, we have the Reset Brew, which is a shot of espresso, which kind of signifies clarity, discipline, new beginnings. Of course, we had to add chai. So what we've tried to represent chai is kind of like self-belief, having boundaries, सॉफ्ट पार. एक और लास्ट एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ मैं. ये मेरे मंथ का ड्रिंक है, विच इज द काला खट्टा स्पिन. इन दिस मंथ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट टैंगी एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो बेसिकली पुशिंग योर सेल्फ रियली आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन and doing things that you typically wouldn't do. So the idea is that these drinks are kind of like metaphors, and every single month we're going to serve you a drink and an activity to go along with it, because every single month has its own twist. You guys know how much time we spend on on our activities. Every single activity has been curated for over 2 weeks. It has taken us so long to curate these activities, but I'm so glad that we took our time because we've poured our heart and we've done so much research because, as I've said before also, our planners are not just planners. It's just so much more than that. It's kind of like a guide. There are so many prompts to self-help, self-development that personally have worked for me. I've tried all of these activities myself and only then we've added them to the planner. Of course, we'll do a flip through, but quickly let me show you all the freebies because that's always the most exciting part. Of course, we have a mini notebook which goes perfectly with our planner. You can basically keep it in the pocket like so, and it sits really well with the planner. So you can use it for like doodling, for writing notes down. I know a lot of you guys like to play games in it, which is why it's kept blank. Then we have our calendar, wall calendar. ये हमने first time last year introduce किया था, and I personally love the idea so much. पूरे साल हमने वो डिस्प्ले पे रखा था. It adds like such a cute decor piece. It looks so nice, very colorful, but also very functional. Functionality is very important. So literally you can see every single month right here and you can write things down. कुछ important चीज़ है, किसी का birthday है, कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो. So yeah, that. And then of course we have our sticker sheets. 10 sticker sheets a year time because I know you guys love your sticker sheets. I think my favorite ones have to be these alphabet ones. It's so like Gen Z and fun. But then we have some really functional one and then we have some really cute ones that you can add to your laptop case, to your zipper. Can you imagine on this if I were to add this? The emotional support water bottle. I think it would be so cute. And then the star are these mood menu cards. So basically the idea was कि ये drinks के themed है, right? Planner. So drinks के साथ पत्ते खेलते हैं usually. So हमने एक deck of cards बनाया है, but it's not your regular deck of cards. It's a beautiful, colorful deck of cards that just looks so fun. Like imagine playing cards and you take a story and your cards are so cute. People are gonna ask you, trust me, where are these cards from? I know it. But other than that, we also wanted to like step it up. So last year हमने affirmation cards किए थे. हमें फिर से affirmation cards नहीं करने थे. So we decided to add an affirmation in these cards. So अगर आप पत्ते नहीं भी खेलते हो, you can just literally pick an affirmation for the day. My affirmation for the day is sip what feels nourishing. Leave the rest on the shelf. So obviously they're very like sip and drink related, but these are proper positive affirmations that will really light up your day. By the way, we also have combos. So you can get our planner plus all the freebies that I showed you already along with our gratitude journal. And if you buy both of these together, you're going to save 200 rupees. A little bit more about the gratitude journal. I actually love this product so much. And I will say this is something that I use religiously. And every time I don't use it in the morning, I can see a difference because you're literally writing down your thoughts in the morning and you're starting the day with such positivity on such a high note. It really elevates your day. So there are a bunch of questions that you get asked every day. It's the same question, but they're just such beautiful questions that make you think, but they're also very lightweight. Or you can go for the planner along with all the freebies, of course, and our 5-year journal. This product is actually so genius. I feel like we're going to do a lot more marketing for this product because it's not spoken about enough. Basically, every single day, there's a new question that this journal asks you and you can track your record for 5 years. We haven't written any years, so you can write the years down and over the years, you'll see how you're gonna answer the same question differently. And we have the mega ultimate combo where you can buy all 3 of these things and of course you'll save a lot of money if you buy them together. I think it's time. Let's get started with the flip through. So we start off with some introductory pages, a place for you to write down your name, and a little note from Aditya and I, just summarizing everything that we've thought out for this year's planner. And then we have the vision board. So ये पूरा पेज आपको बाय द वे यूज करना है विजन बोर्ड बनाने के लिए. ये जो नोट भी लिखा है उसके ऊपर भी आप चिपका दो. मैंने सिर्फ एक छोटा सा प्रॉम्प्ट डाला है विच आई फील लाइक माइट बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल बिकॉज ChatGPT AI का जमाना है. व्हाई नॉट यूज इट टू आवर एडवांटेज? आफ्टर द विजन बोर्ड वी हैव दीज पेजेस दैट रियली मेक यू थिंक अबाउट दिस ईयर एंड हाउ you want to compartmentalize all of your goals. So we have different categories like career, health, love, main character energy, which is basically talking about you, money, and your passion projects. So you get to really think about every single section of your life and write down your goals. Because I really believe in this. If you don't plan, if you don't write down your goals, what even is the point? Because you're kind of setting yourself up for failure. Because if you don't know what your end goal is, how are you going to work towards it? So write down everything. उसके अलावा हमने एक नया ये एक page add किया है, which is called the New Energy Drop. This is kind of like your announcement of 2026. So we've added some really fun like press conference type statements. Like, this year I'm going to be known for, my PR team would describe me as, but behind the scenes I am really, what are your 3 brand pillars? You are the brand, remember that. So what are your 3 pillars for this year? So I thought it was just like a really fun thing to add for this year. Then the next 2 pages are basically prompts for you guys, because I know a lot of times we think कि क्या डाले goals में. तो हमने बहुत सारे goals लिखे. Some of them might not strike a chord to you guys, but we've just added a bunch of goals. So ये वाला है glow up blueprint. तो इसमें हमने लिखा है, for example, do a digital detox for 24 hours each month. So you could add that to your monthly goals. Find your signature scent, your signature drink, accessory. Define your personal aesthetic. Host something, a dinner, a game night, a creative meetup. Read 5 books that challenge the way you think. So stuff like that. And then यहाँ पे हमने एक bingo card भी बनाया है. उसमें हमने थोड़े ज़्यादा fun चीज़ें लिखी है. Like for example, cut off sugar for a month. That's not very fun, but it's a little out of the box. Forgive someone mentally and let it go. Try a cuisine that you've never tried before. So this could kind of like be your bucket list for the year. Things that make sense to you, obviously, उनको आप circle कर दो या लिख दो. Then we have a wish list page, which we've had, I think, ever since our first planner. So needs versus wants. मैंने लिखा है मेरे needs में to get a good cook. Aditya, I really want to step up in terms of like food. I think that's a conversation for another day. So we're looking for a good cook, and what I want is a bathtub. I obviously don't need a bathtub in my life, but I've always wanted a bathtub. So I'm going to write it down. I write it down every year, by the way. Then we have our movies and reading list. So you can write down movies that you want to watch or TV series that you want to watch. Books के नाम जो आपको पढ़ने हैं. Then we have infinity of self. I think the planner explains it very well, but basically this is a wheel that is kind of like a reminder for you to pause, to notice and reconnect with pieces of you. So you basically just color everything that makes sense to you and your morals also. Then we have the 2026 timeline. ये हमने थोड़े few years से introduce किया ये page, but I really like this page because it helps you map out exactly आपको क्या महीने में क्या achieve करना है. So you're putting a timeline to it. I feel like it's really important to make goals, but also to add a timeline. And it doesn't have to be like a crazy timeline, like a week. It can literally be 6 months later. It can be a year later. But this helps you map everything out. I'll give you an example. Hypothetically, I want to hit 1 million subscribers on Mridul and Aditya by July. So I'll write it down right here. I want to have abs by, again, June. So within like 5 months, 6 months. So stuff like that, like you can really map everything down. Then we have a period tracker. We have one every single year, and you can map your periods for every single month. And then here I've also added kind of like a cycle syncing guide कि आपको क्या क्या feel होने वाला है every month and what should you do ideally. मैंने बहुत बार cycle syncing के बारे में बात किया है ये channel पे, so it's kind of like a piece of that. Then we have our breast examination page. I feel like this is something that no planners do. I haven't seen it at least. So basically there's a QR code which you can scan and it will teach you how to do a breast examination for you. You should do one every single month and write down whatever that you've noticed. And then we have a page for notes for you to write whatever that you want to write. We have a yearly spread, so like a calendar of the entire year. And then we start off with our first month, which is January. Just look at the artwork. I forgot to mention, in case you don't know, all of our artworks are hand-drawn, hand-painted. Everything's made in India, 100%. So drinks theme है. So ये वाला है जो मैं espresso shot के बारे में बात कर रही थी. The detailing of this artwork is so beautiful. And then here we have the activity on the next page. So ये महीने की activity is called the Reset Brew. So मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये था कि हमारा प्लानर बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो फॉर पीपल टू यूज. बेसिकली जस्ट फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड दैट मेक्स योर लाइफ ईजियर, राइट? सो इसमें हमने थोड़े प्रॉम्प्ट्स लिखे अबाउट अ डिजिटल रीसेट, अ फिजिकल रीसेट, अ माइंड रीसेट, बिकॉज इट्स द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर, you want to start off with a reset, right? So if you were to follow all of these things, it would be great. Then there's a page for a reset debrief where you're getting questions and you have to answer them, and then there's more space for you to write things down. So every month, by the way, एक्टिविटी अलग अलग है, जैसे मैंने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में. ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट मंथ की एक्टिविटी मैंने आपको बताई है. देन वी हैव आवर मंथली गोल्स, अगेन वेरी वेल डिवाइडेड इनटू हेल्थ, वर्क, रिलेशनशिप्स, पर्सनल ग्रोथ. एंड देन द एक्सपेंस ट्रैकर. आपने बोला था कि आपको एक्सपेंस ट्रैकर चाहिए ही चाहिए, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ आवर कस्टमर्स, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू ऐड दैट इन. देन वी हैव द मंथली स्प्रेड विथ ऑल द छुट्टीज मार्क्ड ऑल्सो. And then here begins our weekly spread. We've made sure to add a lot of space for you to write things down. This year, it's even more spacious than last year. Weekly spread ko we've kept very simple. So weekly spread you can use to write things down, like a to-do list for every single day, or to write important things down. Or I know people also use it kind of like a diary of sorts. You can use this however you want, whatever is convenient to you. Then we have our habit tracker. So habit tracker में आप कुछ भी हैबिट आपकी ट्रैक कर सकते हो, लाइक रीडिंग 10 पेजेस ऑफ अ बुक, waking up early, working out. So you can really mark things down and you can see your progress over the entire 4 weeks. Then we have a meal tracker, which I will say is my favorite page. You can really write down what you want to eat for every Monday of this month, for every Tuesday of this month. It really makes your life so much easier to just map everything out in the beginning of the month. Then we have our monthly reflections, basically for you to really introspect ki ye mahina, what went right, what went wrong. We have questions like, what flavor would this month be? Bitter, sweet, or a mix? What filled your cup this month and what drained it? What's one thing you're proud of, no matter how small it is? What or who are you most grateful for this month? Then we have a self-assessment page, which I actually think is so cute. मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये वाला page. And then more space for you guys to write down whatever that you want to write. And then इसके बाद बाकी सब months में continue होता है same pattern. But right after June, we have a little 6-month review. Half-time refill is what we're calling it this year. So again, just questions for you to introspect about the first half of the year. And then a few more suggestions, prompts for how you can go ahead with your 6 months, the rest of the 6 months. We've tried to make this year's planner very prompt heavy, as I said, because we don't want this to feel like a burden. Like filling out the planner shouldn't feel like a to-do list. This should be like a fun activity that you do that helps you with your everyday life. End of the planner में भी और pages है, of course. So we have our packing list and our packing planner for all of your trips, upcoming trips of 2026. Then we've added a few new pages. So this one's the 75 soft challenge tracker. So I wanted this to be a soft, 75 soft, because I want you to make the rules that you want to follow for 75 days. And we've given you trackers for that. Then we have the Spark Archive, which is again a new page. Now this I had mentioned in my previous vlog, how I like to write things down of every year, like the highlights of that year. So you can do that right here, but month by month. So what was your January spark? What was your February spark? What was your March spark? So on and so forth. Then we have half-baked ideas. This is also a new page, which I'm so excited about. So basically, this is for all the ideas that you have forgotten about. So you can write the idea down, why it excites you, and what could I do more about it. I really like this page. I think I'm going to use this page a lot because I have so many ideas in my head. I don't write them down. I forget about it. So I'm going to write them down. Then we have the 2026 kind of full circle moment wherein you write things about that year and it's a reflection page. Then we have a brain dump, which you guys love. And then, of course, coloring pages. So yeah, that was the little flip through. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this year's planner. हर बार मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि it gets tougher and tougher. And this time also we've poured everything that we had. I cannot tell you, ever since August begins, मेरा स्ट्रेस स्टार्ट हो जाता है कि प्लानर का ये क्या करेंगे ये साल के लिए, बिकॉज वी पोर एवरीथिंग into it that next year then we're like कि अब क्या करें, like what more can we do, what new can we do. But I hope that we've done a good job this year, and I really urge you guys to not only use this planner like a planner, like to write every single day, but also to do the activities. Just trust me and do these activities. I think next year से मैं ये start करूँगी तुम लोग के साथ करना in vlogs, so that we can kind of be accountable. Both of us can have an accountability, because I feel like these activities are really well thought out and I really want us to do this next year onwards. So yeah, please shop away on www.simbalifestyle.com. Whew, a little nervous about the launch as always, but so far I think it's been 3 days since the launch, and the love has been just everything that I could ask for, of course. Yeah, that's basically it. Kal milte hain. Good morning, guys. Today is actually a quote unquote boring day क्योंकि आज मेरा filming day है. So I thought that today, instead of like doing a regular vlog, I will show you guys everything that I eat, because I have a very different diet now thanks to Ask Natural. It's a full gluten-free, carb-free diet. So yeah, let's go to the gym. And actually uske pehle I need to go have my apple cider vinegar water and some dry fruits along with it. Okay, so this is my breakfast. आज मेरे पास ज़्यादा तामझाम करने का टाइम नहीं था. So eggs is something that I need to eat every single day. I should be eating more than 2, but this is what I'm eating. Fruits and some nuts. Okay, so this is what lunch looks like. We have a big bowl of salad. We have my favorite sabzi, which is bhindi. And then I usually have dal, but we have misal left, so I'm going to eat it without the pav. And then obviously we have chas. Oh, by the way, this salad, it's not just a salad. It has 7 seeds in it. It has amla in it. It has flaxseed powder in it. This is my mom's creation. It actually tastes quite nice. To make it taste nice, I actually add nimbu and chaat masala. Hello, baj gaye hai 4:30 and it's time for my protein shake. This is the one that I have been drinking. Cosmix ka hai. The flavor is called Indonesian cacao, and this gives 26 grams of protein. It's not the best tasting thing in the world, but it's actually not bad. Or I've just gotten used to it. So this is what I'm drinking. By the way, मैंने coffee पीना छोड़ दिया है. छोड़ दिया as in I think 20 days से मैंने नहीं पिया है. मुझे बोला गया है कि I should try if I can avoid it. So I am trying it. Of course, around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock mark is when I really crave that hot coffee. So I just try to kind of like replace that with protein shake. After I also have peppermint tea, whatever, if I'm craving for like something hot. So yeah, that's what is happening. This is my current POV shooting another video. And yes, I'm wearing this with this top. Quick dinner preps. I'm doing my skincare routine clearly, and my throat hurts so bad. I think it's because of the pollution. But I just thought that while I do my skincare routine, I'll just talk to you guys a little about the diet, because throughout the day I just showed you what I was eating but never really explained why I was doing it. So as I mentioned earlier today, Ask Natural is the one who's given me my diet plan. In fact, we have the not the same diet plan, a similar diet plan for Aditya and I, Aditya's mom as well. हम सबका अलग-अलग है according to what our body needs. So basically, my diet plan is for my endometriosis, and I have been asked to basically cut out carbs out of all of my diet, out of all of my meals. Sorry, it's been a really long day. So no roti, no chawal, no bhakri, no bread, none of it, which is why I've been eating sabzi and dal, and I actually don't mind it. I think my body has adapted. It's so weird how your body really learns to adapt and like work in cooperation with what you've been doing for a while. I've been also eating a lot of protein. Pre-Ask Natural, I basically used to have no protein at all, and अब मेरे diet में इतना ज़्यादा protein है. When I was working out consistently along with the diet, I saw tremendous change in my body. But as of now, I think it's been more than 15 days for sure since I've been following this diet. I'm not saying that मैंने carbs खाए ही नहीं है. मैंने 1 से 2 बार तो definitely खाया है carbs, and that's okay. I cut myself that much slack for sure. One of the biggest differences that I've seen is my skin. The way my skin looks is just insane. The way it feels, I also feel a lot like lighter. Of course, अब जब मुझे periods आएंगे तब मुझे पता चलेगा कि कितना ये diet काम में आया है. But I feel like it's too soon to tell. I need to give it some time, a couple of months to be able to really see that difference. But yeah, we totally recommend Ask Natural. We've been working with them since June, I believe, of this year, and 100% going ahead with it. I'm also going to be getting my mom on Ask Natural's plan. Almost done with my skincare routine. I'm going to tag all the products down below, obviously, in case you guys are interested. Before I go to bed, this is what I'm drinking. It's basically ginger haldi water, but it has a lot of other things. I'm in my favorite spot in the house. It's the couch, and I'm just gonna sit down and fill out my gratitude journal. Subah mere se miss ho gaya, so I'm gonna fill it right now. It's such a great way to start the day also and end the day also. Now that I think of it, but Aditya and I like to do on a few days like me time, wherein I'm all by myself doing my own thing. This is actually a spot where I sit down and like think about ideas, and somehow मुझे बहुत अच्छे ideas आते हैं यहाँ पे शांति में बैठ के रात को. And Aditya, I'm pretty sure, is playing video games inside, which is so cute. Like whatever makes you feel like relaxed and really helps you unwind, right? So yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, it is a Monday, and I haven't taken a leave since almost 2 weeks now. Usually Sundays are chutti day for me, and in fact from next year onwards we're also planning on doing 2 Saturdays off also for us along with everyone else. But of course with everything going on, it was very hectic, so मैंने Sunday skip किया. कल भी I was working, yesterday was a Sunday. So my body has decided to just slow me down. I woke up with the worst headache. I still have it. Body ache. So I'm going to consider today as my Sunday and live like it's Sunday today, even though I have so much to do. But it's okay. It can wait. Nothing is urgent as such. Yeah, that's what is happening today. Just got done with my massage. This is not an ad. Urban Company, मैं Urban Clappy बोलती हूँ हमेशा, but Urban Company के massages are so good, and I do one almost every single week. ये week मेरा skip हो गया था, so I did it today on a Monday. Usually I do it on a Sunday, but I recommend it. Like whenever you're feeling stressed, your body's feeling tight, nothing like someone coming home and giving you a massage. And with that, I'm gonna end today's video. It's a really long one. So मुझे comments में बताना कि मजा आया लंबा vlog देख के, because you guys keep asking me for long vlogs. So I hope you guys are happy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe करना मत भूलना. Like भी दे देना video को. And check out our planners on www.simbalifestyle.com. That's it. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.